If you're considering switching to a cybersecurity career, you're entering a dynamic, challenging, and highly rewarding industry that offers excellent growth potential and varied opportunities. Your journey starts with understanding the scope of cybersecurity, which is more than just preventing hacks. It encompasses protecting networks, securing data, managing risks, responding to incidents, and setting organizational security policies. The good news is that many of the foundational skills you've acquired in other fields, such as problem solving, attention to detail, and adaptability, apply directly. Building a strong foundation in core technical skills is essential. This includes learning about computer networks, operating systems, cryptography, and ethical hacking. Familiarity with security frameworks, penetration testing, and threat analysis techniques will prepare you to anticipate and defend against cyber attacks. Programming knowledge, especially scripting languages like Python, can automate security tasks and streamline incident reports. Participating in cybersecurity competitions, like Capture the Flag challenges, sharpens your skills and introduces you to real-world problem solving under pressure. Additionally, internships, entry-level IT roles like help desk or system administration, and volunteering in cybersecurity projects can increase your practical experience and professional network. Certifications hold substantial value in cybersecurity, often required or highly recommended by employers. Starting with entry-level credentials like CompTIA Security Plus sets a broad foundation, while certificates like Certified Ethical Hacker, Certified Information Security Manager, or Offensive Security Certified Professional validate specialized expertise and can dramatically improve job prospects. Beyond technical skills, cybersecurity professionals must cultivate strategic thinking and communication abilities. Understanding business risk, compliance requirements, and effectively collaborating with other departments ensures security measures align with organizational goals. Cybersecurity is a field with clear career progression paths. Entry-level roles such as security analyst or junior penetration tester typically lead to advanced positions in threat intelligence, incident response, security architecture, or management. Senior professionals take on leadership roles overseeing security programs or setting enterprise-wide strategies. Staying updated with the latest threat landscapes, tools, regulations, and best practices keeps you effective and relevant. For a comprehensive roadmap, career-level insights, and specially curated course recommendations, explore the Cybersecurity Career Roadmap, Jobs and Levels Guide, available on Coursera. Check the link in the description below to start your cybersecurity career focused, informed, and motivated. Follow for additional career tips and explore relevant courses on Coursera.